All right, guys, so today we are going to be taking a look at the Beats case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, this is the first time Beats has made a case for phones. You guys know Beats, they make in-ear buds, they make over-the-ear headphones, they make some pretty good stuff, but I've never seen a case from Beats. I don't think they've ever made one. So we're going to go ahead and check it out. Now, I have been using this for a couple of days now, and I do have my thoughts. Now, the price on this one is $49. Links will be down in the description below for you guys to be able to check this out for yourself. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, on the front, it does have that iconic Beats logo right there, and it does say it's for the iPhone 16 Pro Max case with MagSafe. Now, this is going to come for all four iPhones, for the 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max. So whichever one you have, you can pick yourself up one as well. Now, you do get a picture of the case here on the front, and on the back, you get the picture of the inside, and it does say Beats iPhone 16 Pro Max case with MagSafe. Now, like I said, I have been using this for a few days, so I'm not going to sit here and actually rip it off because it's already open, but let's go ahead and take a look inside. Now, you basically just pop this open and pull out your case with some kind of booklet here. You get some regulatory information, stuff like that, and that's pretty much it. So we'll move that, and your case is here in this cardboard little cutout thing. So that's pretty much all you get. Now, starting off with the back of the case, we are going to get your MagSafe magnet there, and alignment magnet is visible right on the back of the case. Now, I wish it wasn't really there. I think it would have looked much better without that there. Even if though this is built into the case, I would like to see that kind of taken away. I think it would look much cleaner and much better without that. You do get your camera bump protection right there, and that's pretty much it on the back. Now, the first thing you notice with this is it is super, super glossy. Now, Beats does say that that glossy coating is a scratch-resistant coating. Looking at this itself, let me actually go ahead and wipe this down, because one thing about this, it's a crazy fingerprint magnet. This glossy coating is a fingerprint magnet. Now, it doesn't look like I have any scratches on there at the moment. I have been using this for the last 3 or 4 days. On and off, I've put it down on tables, you know, in my car, all these different places, and it looks pretty good so far. Now, moving along to the inside, you are going to get this very nice microfiber coating there with that Beats logo right here, and it does say Apple Inc. made in China with a serial number down there. Now, the sides of this case are going to be TPU, and that's going to go all the way around the case. Your buttons are going to be plastic, and they do not have any covers or anything like that protecting them from your actual phone's buttons, but you don't have to worry about this scratching your phone buttons up. You'll be just fine. Don't worry about that. Now, the back of this is made from polycarbonate, whereas the sides are that TPU material that you can kind of feel right there, and that TPU is just going to help you with a little bit more of that shock absorption. Now, this isn't going to be any kind of crazy protective case or anything like that. It's just basically a hard shell case, but the TPU sides are a nice touch, so I do like that. And as you guys can see right there, it's already a fingerprint magnet. So for those of you that this bothers, I'm so sorry. This video, you're going to see a ton of fingerprints. I'm going to do my best to wipe it down every so often so you guys can see it. But anyways, let's go ahead and bring over our scale. We'll weigh it, see how thick it is, and then we'll put it on our phone. So we are in grams, I think. Yep, grams. And you're looking at 35 grams, guys. So very light case, not heavy at all. You definitely do not feel the weight of this on your hand. In your hand when you're using it, it's not very thick, doesn't feel too heavy. I've been actually really enjoying using this case, which isn't something I usually enjoy because of the open bottom, but we'll talk about that shortly. Now, we'll go ahead and move over to our caliper. Let's go and measure from front to back here, and we are looking at 11.2 millimeters front to back, and inside to outside, we are looking at 2.1 millimeters thick. So, not a thick case at all. Very nice to hold, comfortable to use. I've really had no issues about it for the most part. So let's go ahead and take our natural titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we'll slap it in here and listen for that click. Pretty nice click on there. Now, checking out how those corners fit. One, pretty tight fit on the corners too. Even though this is an open bottom, this corner right here is a little bit more loose than what I'd like to see. Same thing with this one right here. So the bottom corners, I'm assuming that's just because it doesn't have it closed in as well here, but they're not nearly as tight as these corners up top are. But I have not had any issues of this coming out of the case, of the iPhone coming out of the case really at all. So I don't think it'll be too much of a problem. Like I said, I've had no issues. Now checking out those sides, very stiff sides going all the way around. Super stiff, even by the buttons. You have to give it a good bit of movement with your thumbs in order for that to move. Now, of course, your bottom is open, so there's nothing there, but your top is nice and stiff, so you are definitely going to be good to go with that. Now, let me wipe the screen down real quick, and let's see how that screen protection is. So I am using a full coverage tempered glass screen protector, and you're gonna get a slight lip going, especially around the top. The sides, not so much, just the top right there. So this is something I would say be very careful what you set this down on, and you're definitely gonna wanna use a tempered glass screen protector with this case. So definitely make sure you put some kind of protection on your screen. Even if it's a plastic one, which I'm not a huge fan of, protect your screen at least with something, or just don't set it down on its screen. Now looking at that camera protection, you're gonna get a okay camera lip. I wouldn't say it's even decent. It's okay. Nothing crazy. Barely enough to cover that camera. So again, with this case, you're going to want to be pretty careful where you set it down. You can pretty much set it down on flat surfaces. It'll be fine. But anything jagged or rougher surfaces, I wouldn't do that. Especially with this back. They say it's not going to scratch, but it's just a hard plastic back. I don't know how much I believe that it actually won't scratch. I think deeper things will definitely scratch it. Fingerprints right there. I promise you guys I'll wipe it down. No problem. Don't get on me about the fingerprints in the comments. So it looks very good on the phone. Now, how does this feel in the hand? Very comfortable to hold. Very comfortable except for the bottom right here. Now, it's not as bad as on a lot of other cases, but extended periods of use, you are going to feel a little bit of that weight on there just because of the bottom. It's going to, not necessarily the weight. I said that kind of wrong. You're not going to feel the weight of it. You're going to feel mainly the bottom edge of the phone, but it's not as bad as some other cases, guys. So I don't really see it being an issue. I'm really picky about those kind of things. On the bottom, on this one, I've really had no problems. Now let's take a look around the sides. On the top, you are completely closed in. On the left-hand side, you have your action button, volume up and down. The rest of it is closed in, and you're going to get some Beats branding right there. Let's listen to how those buttons sound. And camera control button as well, so let's listen to how that one sounds. Very nice clicky buttons on this case. They are standalone plastic buttons, so you're going to get a really good click going all the way around on every single button. Going down to the bottom, like I said, completely wide open, so there's really no point to test your USB Type-C cables. All of them are going to fit in here no problem because it's open. And going on to the right-hand side, it is completely closed in. You have your camera control there and your power button right here. Now, of course, this is pretty much an Apple original product. I know it's Beats, but since Apple owns Beats, so you're going to have zero issues with this camera control button. It's going to feel just like the button on the iPhone and just like the button on the silicone case, which, by the way, if you guys want to see me unbox and give my review of the Apple silicone case that I used for a while, I'll leave that video right there at the end of this video. But I'm actually pretty surprised by the silicone case, so definitely make sure to check that out. But anyways, go ahead and click that the camera control button. We'll click that. And of course, you're going to get that sapphire coating on there, just like you do on the iPhone and on the Apple silicone case, because like I said, it's an Apple case. So you can go ahead and switch between all of your modes right there, and it's going to work perfectly fine with no issues. So very good button on there. Let's go ahead and get over to the zoom setting. You guys can see me zoom in and zoom out, see my super messy desk. Again, it's iPhone season, bear with me. Don't talk about my desk. Pay attention to the video. But yeah, good button. Go ahead and snap your picture. You are good to go with that. So of course, if you're someone who wants that camera control button covered, this is definitely going to be a good option for you. Now, wipe down. I know, wipe it down. Let's check out that MagSafe. We'll start off with the Apple MagSafe wallet. Attach that. There's our animation. Hey, it's making the sound today. And this is going to be leather and fine woven wallet approved. So you can give it a little rub down, give it a little rubbing, and you are good to go on that. You do have to give it a little bit of force to come off. Now, going over to our Apple MagSafe battery pack, we'll attach that. No animation. Hold on, we'll do it one more time just for cinematics, right? So attach that. No animation this time. I don't know what's going on. But let's go ahead and shake it. We'll shake it like it owes you money. Give me my money. Give me my money. and you're good to go. Very good connection on here. You absolutely will have no issues. And then moving on to our Anker 623, let's go ahead and set that down. And yeah, it's gonna pick it up. It's gonna pick it up. I mean, it's not the strongest MagSafe in the world, but it's definitely picking it up, and you do have to give it a little bit of a shake with your wrist in order for that to come off. And then you go ahead and do your 360-degree rotation test, type your text message, go on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, get to scrolling, which, by the way, make sure you guys do follow me on those platforms. Links are down in the description. But yeah, type an email, type a text, scroll around, you'll be good to go. Switch over to landscape mode, go to YouTube and watch your favorite Brian's Tech video. You can rewind, fast forward, play, pause, do whatever you gotta do, and you will be absolutely good to go with this case with no issues. Now, what do I think, wipe down, I know, wipe down. What do I think of the Beats case for the iPhone 16 series? Do I recommend it? And yeah, guys, I mean, that price is a little crazy for this, but it's Apple. It's that Apple tax. But what do you get with Apple? You're going to get OEM MagSafe, so you know you're going to get pretty good MagSafe on here. You are going to get that camera control button, which is really good on this case, just like the Apple silicone case and just like on the iPhone, because it's a first-party product. So if that's something that's important to you, which, by the way, to me, that's pretty important. I really like to see more cases get the camera control button on here. But you're going to get that, you're going to get some okay protection. It's not going to be the most protective case in the world, but you are going to get some protection on here. It's not very slippery at all. I actually haven't had too many issues. At first, when you get it, it may seem a little bit slippery, and it did to me at first. But once you get to using it a little bit, you realize that it's just the coating on here. It's not actually really slippery. Like, I've been using it, and it hasn't slipped out of my hand once. But it is going to be a crazy, crazy fingerprint magnet. So for 49 bucks, I'd say, yeah, go ahead and pick it up if this is something that you want. Honestly, I would probably rather use the Apple silicone case over this one, just because the bottom is closed in as well, and it has a little nicer texture and way less fingerprints. But this is also a pretty decent case. I'd like to see the price go down to about 35 bucks, maybe 40. I think 50 is just a little bit too high, but again, it's Apple. What are you going to do? So let's talk colors. It's going to come in 4 colors. You're getting Midnight Black, which is this color right here. You're going to get Summit Stone, Riptide Blue, and Sunset Purple. So 4 different colors to choose from. Pick whichever one you think looks best with your iPhone. And yeah, if you guys are interested, it's down below in the description where you guys can pick this up. But with all that being said, let's give it one more wipe down just for good measure. Let me know what you guys think about the Beats case for the iPhone 16 series in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and if you guys are interested in seeing that Apple silicone case review, that's there. If you want to see me unbox all 4 iPhone 16 Pro Maxes, that video is right there.